안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to show you how to make a smaller portion of kimchi bokkeumbap, the kimchi fried rice. If you have some slightly aged kimchi in the fridge, you can make this dish deliciously, even with very few other ingredients. I want to chop the firm part of the green onion. So you will need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the scallion or green onion to flavor the kimchi fried rice. Place the chopped green onion to the pan and add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Any oil that you have that has a high smoking point, and stir fry in a medium heat until the green onion turns fragrant. Now I'm going to add chopped kimchi. This is a kimchi that has been in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. I'm using 1 cup of chopped kimchi and stir fry in a medium heat for about 3 minutes. Add soy sauce on one side and bring it to a boil. A little bit of brown sugar, this is optional. If your kimchi is very sour, you will need about half to 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. If it's not so sour, you can omit sugar. Thoroughly mix. Soy sauce and a little bit of sugar will caramelize and make this kimchi very delicious. You'll need to stir fry the kimchi for at least 3 minutes in a medium or medium-low heat. This process is very important to make a delicious kimchi fried rice. I'm using 1.5 cup of cooked rice. Depending on the kimchi that you have, you'll need about 1 teaspoon of gochujang to it. Gochugaru chili flakes can be added to it, or even kimchi juice. If you add about 1 tablespoon of it, it's gonna make it more flavorful. Once the kimchi and rice is all together, make a small hole. Well, add a little bit of oil to the pan, and let's make fried egg in the middle. And to add a pinch of salt to the egg. If you want your egg semi-done or a little more cooked, cover the rice with a lid and cook the egg to your liking. I like to make kimchi fried rice this way when I usually eat at home by myself. It's really easy to make and nutritious. Most of all, it's very delicious. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.